Victoria, can we tell the world where we are right now?
We are in Sheikh. It's the most beautiful mountain here in Somaliland.
And how do you think the peace and Somaliland is the first time in Africa, I know for you.
Yeah.
What do you think the Somalilanders can watch this clip? What is your message? Very short.
You are very nice people, very nice people.
Mr. Andrew is here as well. You take the flag, you want to say something? My God, Somaliland, look at the beautiful place we have. MashaAllah, mountains. Beeshka Ahmed Somalilander. Waan idin sheegay dalku waa nabad, dalku waa nabad. Mr. Andrew, halkan ila jooga. Free of movement, Somaliland. What do
I
you
would
think?
like to question something.
Yeah,
How many white people did you see with
flag of Somaliland.
flag of Somaliland?